Ready?
Ready.
Take off. Manflex 70, SRS runway, auto thrust blue.
Thrust set. $100.
Check.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Runway track. Full heading.
Heading.
Qatar 403 Amman, hello, radar identified. Climb maintain of level 290, vacating 5,000 feet, direct Colli.
290 and vacating 5,000 feet left and Corley, Qatari 403. Okay,
Alright.
5.
AP2
Saudi
on.
633 approaching.
Flap 0.
Speed check, flap 0.
Declimb, auto thrust.
Okay, 290, passing 5,000 left hand direct Corley.
Check. 29000 blue. Left turn to Caldy is confirmed.
Okay, execute.
5,000. Nav.
Corley to waypoint, now.
Caldy. So there's no memory items, no OEBs, speed is 210, declimb, open climb nav, automation engaged, climbing
Okay.
level. Can you just confirm the cleared level?